This video is the tutorial of installing Anaconda. Anaconda is free and open source distribution of Python and R programming language for data science and machine learning related applications. One of the most significant benefits of Anaconda is simple package management and deployment. To download and install Anaconda, open your browser and search Anaconda into Google. Then you will see the official websites of Anaconda. Click the Products tab and go to the Individual Edition. Click the Download and choose Python 3.7 and 64-bit graphical installer. If your system is 32-bit, then you have to choose 32-bit graphical installer here. Then you will see that Anaconda is downloading now. Open the downloaded file and next I agree. Choose just me. Go to the next, choose the path you want to install the Anaconda. Go to the next. And here you have to check the first checkbox and uncheck the second checkbox. And start your installation. After several minutes, you will see that installation is finished. Go to the next, and uncheck all the checkboxes and finish the installation. After finishing installation, you may want to check whether your installation is successful or not. You can go to the Start menu and search Anaconda. If it opens without any problem, it means your installation is successful.